is my moment. I waited all my life, I could tell it's time.
So today I'm going to be using the Party Animal Laura palette. It looks like this. Really, really pretty colors. I bought this palette after all that Laura stuff happened, but I'm just doing a review. I'm not going to even speak on that. That's somebody else's business and not my business. And so I had tried it out yesterday, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate this look for you guys today. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be dipping into this yellow color and putting that in my crease as a transition. So. I'm thinking about doing this one a little bit different than the one I did yesterday, actually. We're going to be doing a sunset eye today. Okay, and then you dip into this orange shade, this burnt orange shade right here, and you put that all over your crease. Let's get it. By the way, this palette is very, very, very pigmented. And so now I'm just gonna not use that one because that one has blue on it. Now I'm gonna take the pink. Halo eyes. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye, so I need to take the pink on my finger. Just put it on the spot where there's no pigment on that. I like my eyes to be bold and bright. Everybody doesn't, so you can of course tone it down a tiny bit with this palette. That's why I said a tiny bit, because it's super pigmented and they're bright colors, but you cannot do as crazy as I do, of course. It's not absolutely necessary. It's just how I do my makeup. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I need to blend out the pink a tiny bit. So that's what it looks like. Okay, it's really pretty. I like it. Okay, now to do the other eye. So I'm just going to grab a different brush. I'm going to, of course, tap into the yellow first. Pop that in my crease. Okay. Now that I'm done with that yellow. And I am going to do swatches at the end for you guys. I'm going to dip back into that orange. My second eye always seems to go a lot faster than my first eye. Because my first eye I'm trying to decide my look. My second eye I already know how it's supposed to look, so it takes me like 5 seconds. Always remember to blend. Blending is key, girl. You blend until your eyeballs bleed. So. Now that we got that all done, I'm going to take the pink again. It looks like this. And with a swiping motion, I'm going to put it on. Okay. Okay. So I'm just this is this color because I used it yesterday for the same look. It doesn't have any product on it. I think it just stained my brush on, honestly. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that orange. Just swirl around it. I didn't even while we're speaking on this, I didn't even buy the palette from Laura Lee. I bought it from a girl that got it in a BoxyCharm. It was still completely sealed, no swatches, no nothing. It was just, she didn't like the color scheme of it, and so she was selling it, and so I bought it for $5. Because she's like, I have no use for this, and I was like, I have use for it. And she was like, how much will you give me for it? And I was like, okay, $5. Knowing well enough that it is $20 palette, but I was like, $5. And she was like, okay, deal. And so I met up with her, gave her the $5, bought it, and boom, here we go. So I never gave Laura Lee any money for this palette. I thought I gave a girl the money for this palette. So I am not condoning anyway what she has done. I just really like the palette. It's nothing to do with her. I'm not in that business. That business is not mine. But this is what the eye looks like so far. I think. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and then I'll go from there. If you guys want to see tutorials on how to do brows or how to do eyeliner or anything like that, let me know in the comments below, and I will do them. Those I feel like are simple tutorials, like they're real easy. These are like more intense tutorials because I only have to do like one part of my makeup instead of 40. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I bought this like little like tray thing and it came with these dual-ended little Q-tips. So I'm going to wear mine just a tiny bit because I need to clean up my eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take my Really Wild 1 in 3 mascara. It's like this. And I'm going to curl my lashes. And then we're going to start on my face. I don't put on falsies because my lashes are, I was gifted with really long lashes. So I don't put falsies on. It's just, I need to get a new mascara because this one is crappy. I don't recommend this mascara. Wet n Wild, don't get me wrong, has amazing products. It's just this one isn't. It didn't live up to my expectations. It's still a good mascara. It's just, it gets clumpy after a while. So now I don't have any brown because I forgot to buy some brown. And so I'm gonna, this is my beauty blender. It looks like this. It's cute. And I bought it for $3.99 from Bucks. It isn't a real beauty blender. It's like a knockoff. So yeah. So I'm just gonna grab my, so I do my foundation really weird. So what's this brush? Okay. So I use like a flat brush and I take out my foundation. I use the Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. And I use it in the 118 light beige. I want to take your beauty blender and you meet your face. Always remember to blend on your ears, your hairline, so it looks the most natural. So I use this like dual-ended, like it's like an angle brush. Put a little bit of product on it, swipe it across my cheeks. I use the lightest shade they have, and I'm also using the contour book by Rue 21. I don't even think you can get this anymore, honestly. I got it like 6 or 7 months ago. And I do the circular motion, like so. I'm gonna do my inner corner highlight and my brow bone here in a minute as well. Okay, so I'm going to do it to the other side. I don't do very much. Because I don't ever want to look like I'm wet on my face. Or gaga. I don't like gaga face. I irritate me when people look like that. And then I take this other, it's almost like a blush brush, and then I just like go into it because it has more product, so I can use it to help me blend out my contour. Okay, now I'm gonna do my jawline because this bubble tan is not cute. It ain't cute. So that's all done. Looks cute. Now you need to snatch up that nose, hunty. That nose. Where is my nose brush? So I use this like pointed brush. And then you go up one side. do the same to the other, and then I take that same brush and I blend it out. Because I need it to hold because my nose is big. Okay, this old Beauty Blender, and I'm going to put a tiny bit on my face. Like so. I'll show you what I do. So just put a few drops on my face, and then you blend it out. Just like you do. So you just have to, as fast as you can. Just. And because this isn't as blinding as I feel like it should be, it's blinding, but it's not like blinding. I just go over it a tiny bit. Okay. Not a lot, just the tiniest bits. Part of the reason it's like this is because I haven't set my face yet. But it gives this like almost what iridescent look. And I don't like it, but for some reason I like this one. And there's like a few colors. I bought it at Melrose for $3.99 because I didn't want to go out and buy like a really expensive one because I knew I'd been wanting them for a while. I just didn't want to go out and buy a really expensive one until like I tried the cheap one and be like, hey, I actually do like this. Or like, no, I don't like this. And so I do like it. It's really pretty. It gives a good a good glow to your face. Kind of like a wet, glassy look. It's like a different kind of like because I tried a crazy bright look and not look cute, but I kept it. So. So this is my finished look. I think it's cute. I love this palette. Personally, I think it should be a, if you're trying to try out different like colorful colors, I feel like this palette is good for you. It's good for beginners and advanced. It's a pretty good price. It's $20 for all 6 unless you end up getting the deal that I got where I got. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the Glam Fam, Shar's Glammies, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.